World Health Assembly at Alma Ata launched movement known as Health for All by 2000 AD in the year which year? See, the Alma Ata Declaration emphasized primary health care as the means to achieving the goal of health for all. It represented a significant shift in the global health thinking, focusing on health equity, community involvement, and the importance of health system strengthening at the primary care level. It is a landmark conference which changed the public healthcare system of the world. So this conference happened in the year 1978, and this question can be asked in 1978 in Alma Ata conference. What was the movement that was launched? Again, it is Health for All. And where did the Health for All conference happened in the year 1978? Alma Ata. What is the target year for Alma Ata conference which happened in the year 1978? 2000 AD, to achieve health for all in the year 2000 AD. So in this way the question can be twisted and asked.